Hi, I'm June Alston. I'm going to get you started on our project Mondo bag. I have two to show you what we'll be making. This is my pink one, all made with batiks, pre-cut 2.5-inch squares. What I want you to notice on this bag is that the handle is a solid color fabric. And my second bag, also batiks, but not pre-cut. I had some pre-cut squares and the others I cut, also all batiks. However, notice that this handle is 2.5-inch squares. The next couple videos are demonstrations by my granddaughter Ireland. She and I did the first step of cutting and laying out the squares on the panels. A couple of points that she kind of reads through. You want to, once you have all your squares cut to 2.5-inch, about the precision of the 2.5-inch, mainly they just, when you lay them on your panel fusible, you do not want any of the squares to overlap. That's the key thing. So a close 2.5-inch is fine, just not bigger. The other thing that Ireland mentions in the demo video is the labeling of the panels. There's a corner on each panel, and we have 4 panels, and you want to number those 1 through 4. Basically, they kind of give you rotation guidelines when we put it all together, and it is also the point where your handle comes out of the bag. So if you're particular about your square placement and which fabric goes where, just keep in mind that where you've numbered it is where your handle is going to be. So whether you want that square to be the same fabric as your handle or a contrasting one, that's all that is about. Once you get them all laid out and ironed on, we'll talk about doing this, pressing the seams. Just remember, when you lay this on your iron, fusible side up so that you don't wreck your ironing board, and to help your, now I did not put anything over mine when I pressed it, I just ironed it and my iron was fine. But if you have a lot of space between your squares, you might want to put some kind of protective layer between your iron and the fusible and the squares. I think that's it for now, and I'll get back to you after I've sewn a few seams.